Do you have stomach ulcers? Or are you experiencing burning and bloating problems? Then this video is just for you. Watch until the end, and we'll share with you the formula to eliminate your stomach ulcers with these 7 natural foods. These natural foods support the healing of ulcers. Before we start, this video is for educational purposes and should not be used as a treatment for any illness. 80% of stomach ulcers are caused by the H. pylori bacteria. Normally, this bacteria shouldn't survive in the stomach due to the stomach acid. However, when the stomach acid doesn't function properly, it creates ulcers, holes in the stomach lining and the first part of the small intestine, which can be quite annoying. These open wounds can also occur if a person uses too many painkillers, NSAIDs. If you have any symptoms like stomach ulcers, please be sure to let us know in the comments. These medications wear down the protective mucus in the stomach, allowing natural acids to burn the stomach lining. If left untreated, ulcers worsen over time and can continue to bleed, leading to anemia, low red blood cell count. They can also cause cancer. Additionally, an ulcer can block the movement of food through the digestive system, stomach obstruction. Lifestyle changes and dietary adjustments can significantly impact the progression of the condition. In short, you are what you eat, and you need to know that. Trigger foods. Typically, stomach ulcers cause a gnawing pain throughout the day, but eating can temporarily cover the stomach, providing relief. The pain usually returns a few hours later. While some foods can help heal stomach ulcers, others can worsen and irritate them. Alcohol. For example, alcohol from drinks like beer, wine, or liquor can create a burning sensation in your ulcer, just like applying alcohol to a cut or wound on your skin. Fried foods. Foods fried in oil at high temperatures are inflammatory and can thin the protective mucus in the intestines. Black pepper. Black pepper can be beneficial for healthy people, but it can be too harsh for those with ulcers and can increase burning pain. Cocoa, chocolate. People with stomach ulcers often report that chocolate irritates their ulcers. Citrus fruits. Tomatoes. Spices and spices that create a tingling sensation, such as mint, pepper, and cloves. Foods that heal ulcers. Ulcers are sores that develop on the lining of the stomach and duodenum, and this happens for various reasons. For example, prolonged emotional stress is associated with the thinning of the protective mucus layer in the stomach, causing the strong stomach acid, pH 1-3, to splash onto the stomach walls and create ulcers. Regular use of NSAIDs, such as ibuprofen, aspirin, naproxen, has the same effect. However, the most common cause is an overgrowth of H. pylori bacteria in the stomach. This is usually seen in people who consume too much refined food, bread, sugar, sodas, biscuits, etc. Fortunately, making some simple changes to your diet by avoiding trigger foods and eating the right ones can heal stomach ulcers and prevent their recurrence. Vitamin U, cabbage. Arguably the most effective way to heal stomach ulcers is by consuming a compound discovered in the 1950s by Dr. Garnett Cheney of Stanford University School of Medicine. Vitamin U is an amino acid in the form of methionine, S-methylmethionine, and is found in high concentrations in all types of cabbage. Studies show that the vitamin U in cabbage restores the stomach's mucus layer, naturally allowing ulcers to heal by covering them. Cabbage, especially cabbage juice, is known as one of the most effective remedies for ulcers. Start drinking raw cabbage juice. You can prepare it by blending raw cabbage and straining it. You can add a bit of apple to sweeten it, if you're not on a low-carb diet. Start drinking this 2-3 times a day, and ulcers typically start healing within a week. Continue until you no longer feel pain. I also recommend adding green or purple cabbage to your daily salad, coleslaw. MGO, Manuka honey. The second most effective food for repairing the stomach lining and healing stomach ulcers is a compound called MGO, methylglyoxal, from Manuka honey. It is recommended to start consuming 2 tablespoons of raw honey every morning. Raw honey grown locally can be very beneficial as it contains powerful antibacterial properties that destroy the bacteria responsible for most ulcers, like H. pylori. However, the most effective honey is Manuka honey from Australia or New Zealand. This honey is more expensive but is more effective in treating stomach ulcers. Consuming raw honey has a soothing effect on the digestive system, reducing the irritation and pain you experience. Honey also contains fructooligosaccharides, which increase friendly bacteria in the body, help repair the cells lining the stomach, and prevent future ulcers. Oleocanthal, olive oil. As the next daily food, we'll introduce extra virgin olive oil. For this, you want to choose a high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Check if the bottle comes from a single source, ideally from places like Italy, Crete, or Spain. This may be more expensive, but many bottles labeled "blend of selected oils" actually contain other seed oils that are not good for your health. Consuming just 1–2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily provides oloropion and oleocanthal, which help repair the barrier protecting the stomach wall. Studies show that oloropion promotes healthy mucus production, helping ulcers heal and preventing them from coming back. Oleocanthal in this oil also promotes the regeneration of stomach wall cells, while also reducing inflammation and pain. Glucosinolates, broccoli sprouts, and fourth, the food you must add to your diet is broccoli sprouts and other foods rich in glucosinolates. It is recommended to start growing and consuming broccoli sprouts. These microgreens can be consumed when they are 2–3 days old. They contain 100 times more sulforaphane glucosinolate than fully grown broccoli. These sulfur compounds are also found in vegetables like Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and cauliflower. These compounds help soothe the digestive system, remove harmful toxins from the body, and heal wounds and ulcers in the digestive system. Studies also show that a diet rich in glucosinolates helps reduce the risk of stomach cancer and other types of cancer. So, eat some cabbage in a salad, add broccoli sprouts, drizzle your olive oil, and take your honey to heal your stomach. Leafy greens. Due to their high nutritional value and anti-inflammatory properties, leafy greens like spinach and kale can help in treating stomach ulcers. Leafy greens contain high levels of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that strengthen the stomach lining and promote healing. They also have anti-inflammatory properties that reduce inflammation in the intestines and may alleviate symptoms of stomach ulcers. Ginger. Ginger's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can aid in treating stomach ulcers. It can prevent the formation of stomach ulcers by fighting harmful bacteria and also reduce inflammation and pain in the intestines. Zinc. Cooked shellfish. Lastly, as a bonus, I'd like to share one more food you might want to add: cooked shellfish and oysters. Zinc is a trace mineral necessary for tissue repair and wound healing in the body. It is also responsible for maintaining normal acid production in the stomach. Bleeding ulcers can cause the body to lose its zinc stores, leading to a weakened immune system, acid reflux, and gastritis, and increasing the risk of future ulcers. To replenish your zinc stores, start consuming cooked shellfish twice a week. Foods like clams, crab meat, shrimp, sea snails, and especially oysters are the richest sources of zinc. Replenishing your zinc stores can help heal the digestive system, repair the stomach, esophagus, and intestines, and also strengthen the stomach's mucus lining. For a quick summary, you should start consuming the following 7 foods daily. Cabbage, vitamin U, to get vitamin U. Honey, MGO, to fight harmful bacteria, especially Manuka honeydew, oleocanthal. Single source extra virgin olive oil to reduce inflammation. Broccoli sprouts, glucosinolates. For sulfur glucosinolates. Shellfish, zinc. To boost your zinc levels, consume twice a week. Ginger, should be consumed once a week. Leafy greens, should be consumed 2–3 times a week. Supplements and lifestyles that repair ulcers. Firstly, stress is among the leading causes of ulcers. You can reduce this significantly by lowering your stress levels. Stop eating out immediately and do not consume raw vegetables. Green plants can harbor bacteria and can be dangerous if not properly cleaned. We recommend not thinking too much and keeping your mind calm. Light walking and not listening to yourself are the best suggestions. Adjusting your diet by avoiding trigger foods and eating foods that heal ulcers is the most important step. However, there are also some supplements that can help speed up the healing process of ulcers. For example, zinc L-carnosine, a compound developed by the Japanese, has been used for over 30 years to help heal ulcers and digestive inflammation. Probiotics can also help repair the stomach lining. And you can also use slippery elm to help cover and soothe the ulcer. If you liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give us a like. We thank you very much for your support and interest.